everyone, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. In today's video, I'm going to help you learn how to ignore a message on Facebook Messenger. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping in order to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Here's how to ignore a conversation in Facebook Messenger. Launch your Facebook Messenger application, and if you are not, sign into your account first. Open up the conversation that you would like to ignore. Now, once you're inside the conversation screen, go and tap on the eye icon at the upper right corner, and from this page, scroll all the way down, tap on Ignore Messages under Privacy. From the pop-up, select Ignore. Now the conversation will be removed to the spam folder. To stop ignoring a conversation, go to the top of the screen and tap on the search button. Now, search for the contact's name and tap it on. You can always block someone or simply delete the person. If you want to stop ignoring them, simply type in a text and send it to the person. And now, you have stopped ignoring a conversation on Facebook Messenger as well. That was pretty quick and easy, wasn't it? I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did in any way, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.